Welcome back. Today, you'll practice 300 real-life English sentences using shadowing. These are the same sentences Americans use every day. We'll do this in 3 simple parts. Part 1 is easy. Part 2 is normal. Part 3 will push your confidence. Repeat every sentence out loud. Don't skip anything. Trust the process. Alright, let's jump in.
Part 1 Easy Daily Sentences.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed fast.
I get dressed fast.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
I feel fresh now.
I feel fresh now.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I like hot coffee.
I like hot coffee.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I skip breakfast today.
I skip breakfast today.
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry.
Let's eat something.
Let's eat something.
I want a burger.
I want a burger.
I love pizza.
I love pizza.
This tastes good.
This tastes good.
I'm full now.
I'm full now.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's almost 9.
It's almost 9.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
I'm on time.
I'm on time.
Let's hurry up.
Let's hurry up.
I'm free today.
I'm free today.
I'm busy right now.
I'm busy right now.
See you later.
See you later.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I work from home.
I work from home.
I'm in a meeting.
I'm in a meeting.
I need a break.
I need a break.
Let's start work.
Let's start work.
I finished my work.
I finished my work.
Good job today.
Good job today.
That was easy.
That was easy.
That was hard.
That was hard.
I'll try again.
I'll try again.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing great.
I'm doing great.
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No worries.
No worries.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
I feel confident.
I feel confident.
English feels easier.
English feels easier.
I'm getting better.
I'm getting better.
Practice helps a lot.
Practice helps a lot.
I won't give up.
I won't give up.
I trust myself.
I trust myself.
Let's keep going.
Let's keep going.
I'm ready for more.
I'm ready for more.
This is fun.
This is fun.
Let's move on.
Let's move on.
Part 2, Normal Daily Sentences. I have a lot of work today.
I have a lot of work today.
I'm working on a project.
I'm working on a project.
The meeting starts at 10.
The meeting starts at 10.
I need more time.
I need more time.
Let's talk about this later.
Let's talk about this later.
I'll send you an email.
I'll send you an email.
Please check this file.
Please check this file.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Let's move forward.
Let's move forward.
What's your plan today?
What's your plan today?
I'm busy this afternoon.
I'm busy this afternoon.
I'll be there soon.
I'll be there soon.
I might be late.
I might be late.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Does this time work?
Does this time work?
I'm free this evening.
I'm free this evening.
Let's reschedule it.
Let's reschedule it.
I forgot about that.
I forgot about that.
Thanks for reminding me.
Thanks for reminding me.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
I'm really tired now.
I'm really tired now.
Let's hang out later.
Let's hang out later.
That sounds fun.
That sounds fun.
I'm down for that.
I'm down for that.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
That made my day.
That made my day.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
Let's stop by the store.
Let's stop by the store.
How much is this?
How much is this?
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
Do you take cards?
Do you take cards?
I'm just looking around.
I'm just looking around.
I need a receipt.
I need a receipt.
This is on sale.
This is on sale.
That's a good deal.
That's a good deal.
I don't feel like it.
I don't feel like it.
I'm not sure about this.
I'm not sure about this.
I think it's a good idea.
I think it's a good idea.
I don't agree with that.
I don't agree with that.
That depends.
That depends.
I'm okay with it.
I'm okay with it.
I'm not comfortable.
I'm not comfortable.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
Let me decide later.
Let me decide later.
I changed my mind.
I changed my mind.
That's on me.
That's on me.
No big deal.
No big deal.
It happens.
It happens.
I'm good with that.
I'm good with that.
Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
I'm all set.
I'm all set.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
Take your time.
Take your time.
That works for me.
That works for me.
Part 3, Advanced English Sentences. I've been working on this for weeks.
I've been working on this for weeks.
We need to figure this out.
We need to figure this out.
Let's get straight to the point.
Let's get straight to the point.
I'll handle this myself.
I'll handle this myself.
That's not what I expected.
That's not what I expected.
We're running out of time.
We're running out of time.
Let's stay focused.
Let's stay focused.
I completely understand.
I completely understand.
I see where you're coming from.
I see where you're coming from.
That's a solid idea.
That's a solid idea.
I'm still thinking it over.
I'm still thinking it over.
It's worth a shot.
It's worth a shot.
Let's weigh the options.
Let's weigh the options.
That doesn't sit right with me.
That doesn't sit right with me.
I'm leaning toward this one.
I'm leaning toward this one.
That's a tough call.
That's a tough call.
I'm on the same page.
I'm on the same page.
Let's think long term.
Let's think long term.
We should play it safe.
We should play it safe.
I'm not convinced yet.
I'm not convinced yet.
I've been under a lot of pressure.
I've been under a lot of pressure.
I need to clear my head.
I need to clear my head.
That really caught me off guard.
That really caught me off guard.
I didn't see that coming.
I didn't see that coming.
I'm trying to stay positive.
I'm trying to stay positive.
I need some space right now.
I need some space right now.
It means a lot to me.
It means a lot to me.
I truly appreciate it.
I truly appreciate it.
I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
That really made my day.
That really made my day.
What have you been up to?
What have you been up to?
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Let's catch up soon.
Let's catch up soon.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
You've got a point.
You've got a point.
That's totally up to you.
That's totally up to you.
I didn't mean it like that.
I didn't mean it like that.
I get what you mean.
I get what you mean.
That's good to know.
That's good to know.
I'll keep that in mind.
I'll keep that in mind.
I'm working on myself.
I'm working on myself.
I've learned from my mistakes.
I've learned from my mistakes.
I'm getting better every day.
I'm getting better every day.
I won't let this stop me.
I won't let this stop me.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I'm proud of my progress.
I'm proud of my progress.
I'm stepping out of my comfort zone.
I'm stepping out of my comfort zone.
I'm building better habits.
I'm building better habits.
I'm focused on my goals.
I'm focused on my goals.
I'm ready for bigger challenges.
I'm ready for bigger challenges.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
I'm all in.
I'm all in.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
I've got your back.
I've got your back.
That's a game changer.
That's a game changer.
Let's take it to the next level.
Let's take it to the next level.
I'm fired up.
I'm fired up.
That's a win-win.
That's a win-win.
I'm on board.
I'm on board.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.